अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू टीम टीचिंग। और आज की जो पेपर है वो है न्यूटन्स इन कोचिंग सेंटर का कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एग्जामिनेशन 2023 फिजिक्स का एसएससी पार्ट 1 साइंस ग्रुप। सो फर्स्ट वी हैव and find out through the internet or through the our video lessons which are available on the playlist in our channel. Okay, number 2, expression for the mass of the earth is, ये भी पता होना चाहिए। Boyle's law can be represented as, ये बहुत इजी है। इसी तरह efficiency, or is the efficiency is the ratio of, फिर number 5 है which of the following quantity is unitless, if beta the coefficient of volume expansion and alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, then if a machine performs 20 joule of work in 10 seconds, then its power will be the momentum of a body of a mass 6 kg moving with the velocity of 25 meter per second is a force of Newton makes an angle 60 degree with horizontal. Its Fy will be the gradient on speed time graph gives the dash of the moving object. The length of spring increases as the force increases. This increase in length of spring is known as, to form a couple two forces must be, ये बहुत इजी है, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है, तो आप इनको गो थ्रू करें। एंड नेक्स्ट वी मूव फॉरवर्ड to the section B, which are the short question answers. These are the answer any 8 questions from this section. All questions carry equal marks. Give scientific reason of the following statement. Honey is thicker than water. Why? It is easy to compress air as compressed to water. Why? उसका नंबर हुआ, why solids have high densities, or why do we use ball bearing in vehicles, why it is dangerous to jump from a moving bus, ये पिछले साल भी आया हुआ है, और why SG is more accurate than volcanic center, or write down the advantages and disadvantages of friction, describe methods to reduce friction। उसके बाद है what is thermometer, discuss its scales with examples, give relation between the scales, what is meant by heat capacity and specific heat capacity, give its formula and units। उसके बाद है write any three differences between mass and weight, or boiling and evaporation, or gram heat and temperature, or artificial and natural state light, or distance and displacement, or scalar and vector। State and explain any one of the following laws: Hooke's law of elasticity, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन। अच्छा, न्यूटन लॉ ऑफ मोशन जो है वो आप सेकंड भी कर लीजिएगा, थर्ड भी आप रिवाइज कर लीजिएगा। नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग इलास्टिसिटी और वर्क, कम्युनिकेशन, सैटेलाइट, ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड, पावर और डेंसिटी। उसके बाद है एक्सप्लेन द बिहेवियर ऑफ गैस सॉलिड बाय काइनेटिक मॉलिक्यूलर थ्योरी। Define centripetal force, write down factors on which it depends. Define physics, name its branches, describe the crucial role of physics in science and technology. What do you mean by pressure in fluids? Write down the factors affecting pressure with formula. Define centrifuge, write down the applications of centrifuge. What is the moment of force? Write its formula with unit and factors. Does it depend? Only name. Write down any three uses of artificial satellite, wind energy, or rolling friction. Write down the freezing and boiling point of any three liquids, or name three different types of orbits. What will be the momentum for force when 500 Newton force is applied on a 40 centimeter long spammer to a Titan on Earth? Or if a body is thrown upward with a vertical velocity of 50 meter per second, calculate maximum height which body can reach. Or a planet has mass 4 times of Earth and radius 2 times that of Earth, if the value of g, यानी कि gravity on the surface of Earth is 10 meter per second square. Calculate acceleration due to gravity on the planet. ये सवाल lastly important है, most very important. Okay. Now next we move to the question is, a string 2 meter long used to whirl 100 gram in horizontal circles at the speed of 2 meter per second. Find a centripetal force, or a gardener is ड्राइविंग अ लॉन मूवर विद अ लॉन मूवर कहते हैं जिससे ग्रास कटर वाली मशीन होती है ना उसको, with a force of 80 newton that makes an angle of 40 degree with the ground. Find its horizontal and vertical component of forces, or calculate the pressure at depth of 3 meter in a swimming pool of the Great Fiesta Water Park, or find the gravitational force between 500 kg and 800 kilogram. Okay, so इसमें से आपने फाइंड करना है कि कौन कौन सा आप कर सकते हैं. A spring has spring constant 30 Newton meter. What load is required to produce an extension of 4 meter, or the thermal energy is required to raise the temperature of 50 gram of water from 40 centigrade to 70 centigrade is 6,300 joule. Calculate the specific heat capacity of water. Or a gun of mass 8 kilogram fires a bullet of mass 40 gram with a velocity of 100 meter per second. Calculate the recoil of the gun, or calculate the speed of sajjad of an altitude of 400 kilograms. So this is the section A and section B MCQs and the short question answers of physics, which you can go through each and you can find all the answers in all over the lessons, and you can find all the updates and the regulations of obligations of all the answers in the finding books. And this is the paper which is conducted by our teacher in their centers in Newton Coaching Center, and we will try our best to bring out all the target papers of civics, Islamiyat, physics, chemistry, bio, and related all the compulsory subject which you need. And so that's why you can try this target paper and practice them, and make your practice 100 till 1000%. So we all the teachers are congratulate you to wish the best of luck in your board exams. And yeah, and if you have any problem, go ahead, comment down your problem in our comment section, and we will provide all the best solutions and facilities to your solutions to your problems. And if you have any query, please drop a message, and please support us by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that you can get all the updates regarding education news, regarding motivational videos, regarding online earning, and regarding all the target papers of these centers, coaching centers in Karachi, and board important questions, and most of the work, the most important questions, and the base target papers, which are the important for the board. You can get all through this channel. Thank you so much. Allah